Someone's getting over, everybody cries, and sometimes you can still lose even if you really try. Talking about the dream like the dream is over, talk like that won't get you nowhere. Everybody's trusting in the heart like the heart don't lie.
Well, how about that, huh? Only about 2 miles around the campground. But hey, you know, sometimes a short ride goes a long way. Man, I'm telling you, I took a real hit this spring, and not just physically from being sick, but just the emotional fallout, you know? Making all that progress and then kapow! You know, especially feeling like you're doing the best you can do and it's not enough, you know? But what do, man? I say you just keep plugging away and wait for the storm to pass and keep fighting through it, you know. Typically, you know, the spring is rough for me anyway, so it's nothing new. And typically around this time of year, I start doing a lot better. And dang, I am ready. So let this be just the first ride of an intense and consistent training period for the next few months. Does that sound like a deal? I think it is. See you later. And keep on trucking, man. I will if you will. Hell, I will even if you don't. Later from Lake Jennings Campground.
We don't know where tomorrow is, and when we're sad, it's kind of a drag.